Step right up, step right up. Today I have for you the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit unboxing for June 2026. So stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you the new Step Right Up kit from Simon Says Stamp, and this is for June 2026. So let's get going on this unboxing, and this is a super fun carnival themed card kit with lots of fun goodies. I did this month take advantage of the adding onto my box to save on shipping, so I have a few extra things here, and there were a ton of add-ons this month for this kit. I did not get all of them. I only got a few of them. There are quite more than I am showing right now. Okay, so I'll show you some of the add-ons to this. First one is this Grandstand Labels Set, and I just loved the edges of this. I thought that was so cool, but look at how these look, right? It's such a cool shape, and this is perfect to go with this kind of carnival theme kit. And then I have the Spotlight Burst Trio. So this is a stencil set of 3 stencils, and it will make like fireworks burst. And then I have this Marquee Sign, and it's got a whole bunch of layers. It's got the outside, it's got the marquee dotted, and it's got an inside, so you can do lots of different layering with that. And then I have the coordinating die for the Having Fun stamp set, and that's what's included in the kit. And look at that, it cuts out everything. It looks awesome, and when we pull the stamp set out we can compare that. And then I added on some Simon Says Stamp Unicorn Dust glitter. It looks so pretty. And then the A2 grocery bag envelopes. So I had a couple things on my wish list, so I added them to the box. And if you need more information about the shipping or subscription or any of that, go check it out over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And I will let you know that this kit is sold out. But you can purchase all of the individual items separately, and I will list those in the description box and over on my blog. And I'll put a QR code up top. If you're watching on a television, you can scan that with your phone and it will take you right over to the supply list. So we have a coupon. This is a new one, $5 off, and this is good through August 25th, and the code is FRESH. So if you go over and order anything, make sure you use that coupon code. Look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure where to start. Alright, let's get out the map. And I love the map because it gives us some inspiration. It tells us everything that's included in the kit. These are so fun and bright, right? I love that. This looks like such a fun kit. Alright, so first I'll pull out, so here's that stamp set that I was just talking about. Look at all these beautiful starbursts and fireworks and confettis. What's poppin'? Have a little fun today and every day. Life is the ticket, enjoy the ride, good times. Life happens, cotton candy helps. That's so cute. You make life sweet. And then so we'll get out, so here's that die set, and that cuts out everything, even this big firework there. So that is awesome. And some of the pieces in the stamp set coordinate with the dies. So for example, this die set, the 3D popcorn box, and so you put this together and it creates a little box, and then you can put the popcorn in there. That coordinates with this stamp here, so you can stamp that on the front of that to get that kind of striped box look. So that will lead us into this. So like I was saying, you have, this is a background piece that you can put inside of the box once you create it. And here's the little label. And then you have individual little popcorn pieces. So that's super fun. And so that's what it looks like completed. And it really does look like a box of popcorn. So that's really fun. Then you have the festive bunting. And so it has like a string kind of die. And then you've got 6 flags. And you can, you know, put them on the die cut, or you could actually, if you had like a thread, you could put that through too. And you can use some of the patterns on here on the flags. So some of these down here, just to kind of decorate them up a little bit. So that is cool. So then this one is called Ephemera Slots, and it cuts 3 little slots into a panel of paper. And so you can kind of stick things in there. You know, if you, like, there's the ticket book in here, you can stick the tickets in there. If you had this and you were doing kind of like a vintage sort of card, you could put, like, if you had like floral ephemera, you could stick it in there and just kind of do a really cool effect. So that's really fun. And I like, because it's on this plate, they're evenly spaced, which is awesome, instead of trying to have 3 separate dies and try to make that work. Alright, then we have the 3D cone die, and this is to help make little cotton candies. Look how fun these are. Oh my goodness. So you cut this out and then you glue it into a cone, and then you can put these on top and make little cotton candies, which is really fun. I'm not sure if anybody, let's look on the map and see if anybody had, yeah, like right here. And they use the stripe on the stamp to decorate the cone paper once you cut that out, so you can use that on there. So that is super fun. Alright, then let's see, what is this? These look like little, okay, so these are A1 size, and these are white, and they are pre-scored note cards. So you see that there. So you can just take them out and fold them in half and use your bone folder and burnish that. So that's really cool. Just some little cards. Let's see what else. We have the Distress Oxide. This is the scattered straw, and this is a perfect color for that popcorn. So if you're cutting out the popcorn box, you can use the scattered straw to decorate and color in the popcorn. Alright, and then we have in here the Tim Holtz Ideology. This is the ticket book, and I just love this. I have one of these in my collection already, and I have a thing for tickets. I don't know why, but I just love these. So they're all different sizes, and they're perforated, so you can just tear them right out. You could ink on them, stamp on them, and like I showed before on the ephemera die, you could tuck them in to there, make a cool collage. So lots of different size tickets. So fun. I love these like train ones. Alright, oh, and the like bus tickets. That's cool. Alright. What else do we have? We have our lollipop. We have our cotton candies. We have a Marquee snow marker. So this actually will puff up. You use it on your project, and then you heat it with your heat tool and it will puff up. So you can use that on your popcorn to kind of get that puffed look. I think this might be a substitution. I think Simon has a new product that was in some of the kits that's like It's like a same thing though, like a puffing kind of thing. But so this is a snow marker, but it's also a popcorn marker. And then we have this little, we have 1 foot of thin red and white baker's twine. So that's perfect for this palette, color palette. That's so cute. And then, like, look at this. I know I'm dating myself a little bit here, but I remember the 80s and having my sticker book collection and flipping through the pages and having these scratch and stiff stickers that looked exactly like this. It's so funny. And they do really smell like popcorn. So that's fabulous. That's a happy surprise. Alright, let's see what else we have here. We have 1 sheet of lightweight white paper, and this is perfect to make those cones for the cotton candy. So we have that. And then we have 1 sheet of Simon Says Stamp Schoolhouse Red Heavyweight. This is very heavyweight. And then we have 1 sheet of Nina Desert Storm Heavyweight. And then we have this really cool patterned paper. And you can cut this into quads, and then you have a background already ready. And these are pretty whimsical and fun. Just trying to look up the name of it for you. This is called the Fun and Games Card Panels. So this would go wonderfully with some of these fun things, and everything is so coordinated. So this is such a super fun kit. I don't think I've ever seen a carnival themed card kit before, and it is so fun. And I can't wait to create with this. Coming up next for you, I will have my Simon Says Stamp unboxing playlist, so you can go check those out, the past episodes of that, if you like unboxing videos. And I will also put my card making playlist, so when I do make something with these goodies, that will be there, and any of my past goodies are there as well if you need some card inspiration. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.